Good day to everyone, and in this video we will see the transformer phase shifting parameters, that is transformer and how to shift parameters, that is how to shift Rx from secondary to primary and primary to secondary and what turns ratio we have to take. So that is a very confusing point, so just remember this trick and everything will always be clear. Okay, so that is the point. So transformer is how to shift parameters, whether it is voltage, current or impedances. Okay, so that is what we are studying. So for this, let us take a transformer. Okay, so this is a transformer. Okay, so your number of turns, this side is N1, this side it is N2. Okay, so you just have to remember one thing, that see, you remember it like this: A is equal to N1 by N2. Okay, N1 by N2. If you are moving from secondary side to this side, that is your second side to the first side. Okay, if you are moving from 1 to 2, then your turns ratio A is equal to N2 by N1. Okay, so how do you remember this? That if you move from N1 to N2, that is you are shifting parameter on from this side to this side, so you are shifting towards the secondary side. Okay, so you will take your A as N2 by N1. Okay, if you are shifting your parameters from this side to this side, then you will take your A as N1 by N2. So on the numerator you will take always the term to which side it is you are shifting. Okay, so that is the case. Now I will write the expressions and it will be more clear. See, for I V dash, that is your shifted voltage, will be your A times V. Okay, so A you have to consider cautiously at to which side you are shifting. If you are shifting in this expression, if you are shifting, okay, let me explain to you. If you are shifting from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 means from this side 1 to 2, okay, to this side, then your A will be equal to N2 by N1. So your V1 dash, that is your shifted one parameter, one primary side, I will say primary side parameter. So your V1 dash will be your A times V1. A will be your N2 by N1. Okay, so that is how you have to analyze. So just remember this figure and you remember these expressions, then everything will be clear. Okay, so you don't have to confuse in turns ratio, transformation ratio and all those things. Okay, so V dash we have done, one thing we have done. Now the second thing is, second is for I dash is equal to I by A. Okay, third you have to take your R dash. R dash means that these are your shifted parameters. It can be either R1 dash, it can be either R2 dash. Okay, so R dash is equal to A square R. 4, your Z dash is equal to A square Z. Your X dash is equal to A square X. Okay, so this is the whole thing. So that is how you need to shift these parameters. Okay, so this is all about this video and I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe and register on our website. Thank you.